Today we are going to be using a number line to help us with our word problems about measurement, and we've been talking a lot about how to look for those key words that'll help us to know whether it's an addition problem or a subtraction problem. So first step is that we need to read the question, and we need to be thinking about what is it asking, what's happening, what's the important information that I need. So it says Nick had a piece of yarn 20 inches long. He used 6 inches for one project and 12 inches for another. Use the number line to create an illustration that shows how much yarn Nick has left. Okay, so if I think about it even just without the numbers, Nick has a piece of yarn and he's using two different sets of inches for his projects. So that's going to tell me that we are subtracting, right? We're not adding on those two different numbers. We are taking those away because he's using them. So now our question is, how much yarn does he have left? Have left is one of those clue words that tells us that we're going to be subtracting. So it says he has a piece of yarn that was 20 inches long. He uses 6 inches for one project and 12 for another. So I'm going to draw a line from 0 to 20. That's how long the yarn is. That's where we're going to start. Now, he uses 6 inches for one project. I'm going to start at 20 and I'm going to count back 6. You don't count until you move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to stop right here. He uses 6, right? And then he uses 12 inches for the other. So now I'm going to count back 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to draw another line to show the length of that one. So how much does he have left? We landed on 2, so Nick has 2 inches of yarn left. 2 inches left. Okay, so let's try another one. Jocelyn has a ribbon that she measured in centimeters. She draws this diagram to show the length of the ribbon. How many centimeters long is her ribbon? So Jocelyn has done something a little bit funky here, because when we measure, we know that we have to start where? 0. Did Jocelyn start at 0? No, she did not. She started at 2. So we can't count these 2 centimeters here in her measurement. So we've got to find out how many centimeters it is. So I'm going to start where she started, and I'm going to hop and count until I end here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Her ribbon is 17 centimeters. Another way I could find this is by starting with where she ended, 19, and then taking away the 1, 2 centimeters that she didn't account for. 9 minus 2 is 7, bring down the 1, and I would get the same answer. So that's another way to solve it as well, if that helps you. Just make sure you don't count 0 as one of the centimeters. We don't count until we move, right? 1, 2, or going back this way, 1, 2. That's 2 centimeters that she left off. So you are going to use number lines today to help you to solve these measurement problems. Again, make sure that you are looking for those key words. Think about what the question is asking, and then find your answer and write it down. Have fun!